In this lecture, we are again going to plot the side view for this point B, which is 45 mm above HP and 60 mm behind VP. It means this point is in second quadrant and 30 mm from RPP. So again, uh, the view is on the side view is on RPP. It means it is left side view. That is why it is plotted on RPP. So we have to plot it on RPP. So point B is 45 above HP and 60 behind VP. Then again its projection will be just change the layer to construction 1. So minus 45 mm above HP and 60 mm behind VP. It means the top view will come in the HP, then after rotation it will again come on the same vertical line. So from here I have to take 15 mm more. So this is a projection. Naming will be front and top view, both will appear on the top side of the XY line, and at 40 mm we have our front view, which is B dash, and at 60 mm we have our top view, which is represented by P. Now you can use the points. We will use the donut command later. You can just show the dimension here. This is front view is at a distance of 45 mm and top view is at a distance of 60 mm. Means this point is B, which is 45 mm above HP and 60 mm behind VP. Now you have to draw the side view, specifically left side view, which is 30 mm from RPP. So RPP, right projection plane, and does 30 mm from this projection. So just take a line, which reference line should be at a distance of 30 mm to the right side of this projection. So just select this line, create a offset, should be at 30 mm distance. Now enter this thing. You can extend this thing if you want. So here, now what we need to do, just measure this thing here from this to this point, distance 30 mm. Now we have to draw a inclined line which should be in the direction of top view, and it should be at an angle of 45 degree with the XY line. This line is a x1 y1 line. You can use the notation, or you can just let it go. I'm just using this notation. This is y1, x1 y1, and it's perpendicular to this xy line. Now from this point of intersection, you have to draw an inclined line in the direction of top view. Top view is upside of this xy line, so to the upside, shift at the rate. Now keep the length as it is, tab key should be at 45 degree angle. Now check the angle, it should be at 45 degree. Okay, now from the top view you have to create a horizontal line which will intersect with this inclined line. Now just remove the excess part. Now from this point of intersection where this horizontal line from the top view intersecting with this inclined line, so from this point of intersection you have to create a vertical line. Direction will depend on the front view. Front view is just below this top view, so direction is downward. So I'm making this vertical line up to this length. Now next step is to create a vertical line from the horizontal line from the front view. So this is a point B dash. From here draw this horizontal line which will intersect with this vertical line here. So this point is nothing but side view, left side view on RPP, and it is represented by B double dash. Just double click the this letter, you can change it B double dash. So this is a side view. Now you can use the donut command inside diameter 0, outside 1. Now specify the center. Top view is here, B. Oh, just need to change the layer first. Main drawing. Now donut. Inside 0, outside 1. Enter. Center. Specify center. This is our top view. This is our front view, and this is our left side view, which is on RPP. So this is a projection of point which is in second quadrant, 40 mm above HP and 60 mm behind VP, and side view is 30 mm from RPP. So that's it. Thank you.